Guys, this is Andres again from D-Tronics here in Brownsville. Just wanted to share a really cool car that we just finished doing. This is a black Escalade that we did a two-step paint restoration. So that involves a polishing the paint, machine polishing, and buffing out. So we're able to restore the paint. Take a look at that, guys. We're able to accomplish a beautiful mirror finish on that truck, and we actually did a full paint protection film over the whole front end of that truck. So the full hood, full fenders, full bumper, headlights, everything got protected with a 10-year warranty, 200 series, self-healing technology, paint protection film, and to finish off with ceramic coating the whole truck. So you pretty much bulletproof the whole vehicle, making it look beautiful. So if you guys are interested, please let us know and check us out.